Earning $5,000 a month from blogging may seem like a lofty goal, but it's achievable with the right strategies and consistent effort. Step 1. Choose a high-income potential niche, focusing on areas like finance, health, tech, digital marketing, or lifestyle. Step 2. Build a professional blog. Invest in a solid domain name and reliable hosting, focusing on a user-friendly design. Step 3. Focus on high-quality content creation by solving problems, staying consistent, and using engaging formats. Step 4. Drive traffic to your blog through SEO, social media, email marketing, and collaborations. Step 5. Monetize strategically through affiliate marketing, ads, digital products, and sponsored content. Step 6. Scale by focusing on successful topics and optimizing for conversions, considering paid promotions. Meet Sarah, a lifestyle blogger who earned $5,000 a month by staying consistent and providing value to her readers. Final thoughts. Earning $5,000 a month requires patience, strategy, and hard work. Your blogging journey starts today.